In this video, I'll be using PDQ Deploy to package and deploy Visual Studio Code. I'm starting this video from a GitHub page, and that's because there are few bits of information here that I will be using for this video, and I will leave the URL in the description down below. Also, in the bottom of the page, you can find more of my videos that are related to this topic. For example, here you can find my Windows Server setup, and there is also a video about my PDQ Deploy setup. And now I'll begin this video by downloading Visual Studio Code installation file, and for that I will use the link that I have here. That brings me to the Visual Studio Code download page, and here I will be downloading the 64-bit system installer, so I will click on 64 and then I will go to my downloads folder. And now that I have my installation file, I will right click on it, select copy, and then I will go to VMware Workstation where I have my Windows environment. And I will be placing the installation file in a network share accessible by all of my computers, so I will open File Explorer, enter my file server name, SRV02. Here I have the software share, I will go inside of it, and here I will create another folder called VS Code. I will go inside of that, and I will place the installation file here. And now I can start creating my package, and for that I will go to PDQ Deploy. I will right click on Packages, select New Package. I will name the package Visual Studio Code. Then I need to click on Steps, Install. Here I need to provide my installation file, so for that I will click on the button right here. Once again, I will go to my file server SRV02, the software share, VS Code folder, and I will select the installation file that I have here. And also we need to provide silent switches because we want PDQ Deploy to execute the installation silently, and for that I will go back to my GitHub page, and here I have the silent switches that I will be using, so I will click on the button right here to copy the values, go back to the PDQ Deploy and insert the values here. And that's it. Now we can save the package. Let's close this window. I will select the package here, and now we can try to deploy it. And for that I will go to Deploy, Deploy Once. Here I will select my targets by clicking on Choose Targets, Active Directory, and Computers. And I will select my client 01 and client 02. Then I will click on this button right here. The targets appeared in this window. Let's click OK and deploy now. And now we need to wait a bit. And the deployment is over. We can see that it was successful for both of my clients, but I will double check by going to my client 01 that I have here. Then I will go to Start menu, All Apps, and somewhere here we should find Visual Studio Code, and here it is. I will click on it, and it seems to be working just fine. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.